Yes, Mr. Satya. How should I do this question? 3g minus 5 is equal to 31.
So 3g minus 5 is equal to 31. So
Okay.
3g is equal to 31 plus 5.
Okay.
Then we have to do 3g is equal to 36. So
Okay.
g is equal to 6.
G is equal to 6.
Yes.
Mr. Ariman.
So I think G is 12.
No, do you think or is it true?
It is true, sir. G equals to 12.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, how should I do B part?
So D or D.
B for boy. Mr. Satya.
Okay. So 3 minus 3g minus 5 is equal to 25.
Okay.
So minus 3g is equal to 25 plus 5. So g is equal to 10.
G is equal to 10. Direct. कैसे? Minus 3
Sorry,
G.
sir. Minus
Minus
3g is
3G is
equal to
30.
30.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Then
Yeah.
g is equal to 10.
G is equal to 10. And what happened to this minus? So this would be 30 upon minus 3. Mr. Satya, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So what would be 30 upon minus 3? Mr. Satya.
So minus 10.
Mr. Ariman, is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. How should I do C part?
So C part we have to do 4p minus p is equal to 3p. So first we have to sort out the p.
Okay.
Then 3p plus 7 is equal to 28. So 3p is equal to 28 minus 7.
One second. Satya, one second.
Yeah.
So what you have done is you have brought the P to the left hand side. Okay. So 7 plus 3P is equal to 21. Okay. Is equal to 28. Yeah. What next? Satya?
Then so 3. Then we have to take 7 on the right hand side. So it
Correct.
would be 3p is equal to 28 minus 7.
Correct.
So 3p is equal to 21.
Correct.
And then p is equal to 7.
Correct. D part?
3g is equal to 16 plus 5. So 3g is equal to 21 and g is equal to 7.
Correct. Mr. Ariman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ariman, how should I do E part?
15 equals to 40 minus 5y. 40 minus 15 equals to 5y. 25 upon 5 equals to y, which equals to 5 equals to y.
Mr. Satya, what should I do next? Mr. Satya?
So you have to. So I'm not getting it with this method.
Yeah. See, whenever you say, for example, in some other equation, or maybe this is the equation that you need to solve. Yeah. So let us assume that this is the question. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Let us assume that this is the question GHI. This is the ith question. Now, usually, what students get confused is how to manage this negative sign. Because usually what will happen is a minus 35 is equal to 5. Why? This seems to be an easy equation. Satya, how should I solve this? Do you know how to solve this?
So we have to divide minus 35 by 5.
Yes, minus 35 by 5. So this would be y would be equal to minus 7. Yes, Mr. Nariman.
So I think the answer would be wrong, sir.
Okay, why would it be wrong?
So, okay, let's say if y is 5, sir.
I'm sorry.
Um,
Yeah.
let's say y is 5. So 5 into 5 is to 25. So 40 minus 25 is to 15. So my method is right. Now, if minus 7, we take y as minus 7. So 5 into minus 7 is minus 35. So 40 minus minus 35 equals to 75. So then the equation would be wrong.
अरे आप कौन से क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हैं?
E.
क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हैं या इस क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हैं? इस क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हैं. We are not discussing this. We are not discussing this. We are discussing this question, Mr. Ariman, because there are few things that I want to clarify. Basically, Ariman, we are discussing this question.
Okay, sir.
And we are discussing this question because once we have understood this question, then we will tackle this question. Ariman, have you understood?
Understood.
So, abhi main is question ko, this question is still pending. I'm not discussing this because there are few things that I want to explain before I tackle this. So I'm not discussing this. So first I wanted to understand that are we able to do questions like these or not? Minus 40 is equal to 5y. Satya, what should I do?
So we have to divide minus 40 by 5.
Correct. Therefore, y would be equal to minus it. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Satya, any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, usually kids are pretty comfortable with questions like these. It is only questions like these which are trouble. Questions like these. So let us try to understand how to do questions like these. So for example, if I have minus 40 is equal to minus 5y. So see, one of the simple thing that you can do, very simple thing that you can do is you can change the positions. I can bring my minus 5y on the left hand side and my minus 40 on the right hand side. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Araman, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
See, Mr. Satya, Mr. Ariman, at the end of this chapter, you will have to do inequalities. Now, inequalities will become headache if our basic equations are not okay. Mr. Satya, Mr. Ariman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll have to do questions like these, inequalities. These are called inequalities. So if our basics about basic equations are not fine, then inequalities will become a big headache. So that is why I want to spend some time. And what I want to tell you is that whenever you are in trouble, so for example, 40 is equal to 5y, or okay, let us discuss this. 40 is equal to minus 5y. Again, if I get confused while doing this, simple thing that I can do is I can bring this here and I can bring this here. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, ऐसा है. Please try to understand. You can have only these kind of equations. So this is the simplest. 5y is equal to 80. This would be the simplest. 5y is equal to 80. This also would be simple. Now the things would start getting complicated here. So minus 5y is equal to 80. Or minus 5y is equal to minus 80. Now these two get a bit complicated. Mr. Satya, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So the simple thing that you can do is, usually what I've seen is that it is this minus sign, which is the cause of trouble. So what you can do is, for example, in this kind of question, what you can do is, you can make this positive. How? By changing the directions. I will bring my minus 80 here and I will make this positive. Mr. Satya, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ariman, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Ariman ji, आप कर पाते हैं, but there are students who are not able to do it. So for them, this is the easier method. You might be wondering कि ये सब क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं? Because few students find this difficult. So y would be equal to minus 16. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So basically, what I'm suggesting is that to avoid confusion, you can make your y or x or z positive. So for example, if I want to make this y positive, I will change the directions. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
This is a common confusion that students have. Satya, any doubt? We can still discuss it further.
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us tackle this question again. 15 is equal to 40 minus 5y. Mr. Satya, what should I do?
So 5y is equal to 40 minus 15.
Okay.
So 5y is equal to 25
Okay.
and y is equal to 5.
Y is equal to?
So how 5y is equal to 35?
I'm sorry, yeah. This would be 25. So y would be
5.
5. So this is one way. The other way is what Mr. Aryavan had done. And let us try to understand that also. So let my minus 5y remain here. Let me change the direction of this 40. So this would be 15 minus 40. This would be minus 25 is equal to minus 5y. Satya, what should I do next?
So then we have to change the position so it becomes positive. So
Sure.
5y is equal to 25. So y is equal to 5.
Mr. Aryavan, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
तो Mr. Aryavan, आपको शायद complicated लग रहा होगा, but there are few students who are not able to get who are not able to handle minus 5x or minus 5z or minus 5y. Basically, this minus causes a lot of trouble. So for that, a very simple way is to change this and bring it on the right hand side. See, if I have 5 is equal to x or I have 100 is equal to x, then I know that the value of x is 5. Mr. Satya,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. So how, Satya, how should I do f part?
So f part is we have to first multiply 6 by y and minus 7. So 6y minus 42 is equal to 30. So 6y is equal to 30 plus 42. And 6y is equal to 72. And y is equal to 12.
Mr. Aryavan, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, g part.
So 0 is equal to 255 plus 85x. So 85x is equal to 255. So x is equal to 3.
भाई साहब इसको ये पॉजिटिव है, इसको पॉजिटिव रहने दीजिए, यहीं पर आने दीजिए. ये 255 का डायरेक्शन चेंज कीजिए. सर, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Mr. Aryavan, any doubt? Aryavan जी गायब हो जाते हैं इसमें. तो Satya, what I'm trying to tell you is कि try to keep your, try to keep the coefficient of x or y or z positive. Any doubt?
No, sir.
क्योंकि अगर आपका x और y या z का कोएफिशिएंट नेगेटिव हो जाता है, then the confusion will start. And especially when we will be dealing with inequalities, this will become a headache. So therefore, x would be, Mr. Satya, 255 by over
85.
This would be minus 3. Therefore, the value of x is, Mr. Satya,
Minus 3.
yes. So do not try to make this negative, because otherwise your things will start complicated. Or another very simple thing that you can do is If you don't find that confusing, see, I will be sharing a lot of ways in which you can do these questions. So, for example, another very simple thing that you can do is you can write it like this: 85x plus 255 is equal to 0. 85x is equal to minus 255. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
But then there are a few students who will find this complicated. They will think that कि अगर आपने side chain की है, then you need to change the signs also. So whatsoever you are comfortable with. So Satya, how should I do h part?
5x plus 25 plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 3. So 5x plus 3x is equal to 8x. So 8x is equal to 3 minus 25 plus 6. So 8x is equal to minus 16 and x is equal to minus 2.
Sir, 5x plus 3x would be 8x. Do we agree to this, Satya?
Yes, sir.
And let us tackle only 25 and minus 6 now. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Let this 3 remain where it is. What should I do next, Mr. Satya?
Then sir, it would be 25 minus 6. So it would be
25 कहाँ से आ गया भाई? 25 minus 6 is 19. Have you understood?
yes, sir.
Now what should I do next? From here, what should I do next?
So then we have to do 8x. Then
Yeah.
we have to 8x is equal to 3. Then we have to take 19 on this side. So 3 minus 19.
Shabash, very nice. Therefore, x is equal to
Minus 2.
yes. So tell me down.
No, sir.
So your homework is to do all these equations again. Sir, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
1 second, I'll show you another thing. 1 second. Satya, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So we have done all these equations, how to solve linear equations, simple linear equations. You can go through any of these just to refresh your memory. Have you understood? Mr. Satya. Mr. Ariman.
Yes, sir.
So in case of any doubt, you can go through all these equations, any of these lectures.